Let's go walking with the folks. She was in a hurry trying to get out of here. Well, let me see something here. Talk about the weather, maybe. Hold on, doggies. What are you in a hurry for? Come on. Trying to look at my phone. Anyway, it's 37 Fahrenheit right now. Still kind of chilly. High today is supposed to be 50. High tomorrow 72. And about 2 more days it'll be 76 for the high. And then 3 more days it'll be 81 for the high, unless they change it. Then it'll start dropping down again, temperature. This time of year it's like a yo-yo. Let's go, Barkley. Come on. There's a little breeze going on, which drops the makes it feel colder. Time. I think it was second or third. I think it was second. That one has a bite to it. Good girl, Lucy. Good girl. Let's go in. I guess he's gonna try to pee again. Yep, 3 times. He's a little pisser. Come on, let's go in the house. Barkley, come on. Come on, your tank's running dry. Whew. Thank the folks for walking with you. So thank you, folks. We enjoyed the walk. Oh, bless you, girl. You getting cold? We enjoyed the walk.